Hi everyone, this video is useful for you who are searching ideas for decorating room wall with wood. Wood design are great option if you are looking for a cheaper wall decor. Unlike other types of wall decoration, wooden wall decoration can complement almost any decor by adding a touch of nature to your space. Depending on the complexity of the wall design, you can easily find a decorative pieces that fits your budget. There is wood wall decor for your home that will easily turn your space into a charm. Special pieces that will add youth, comfort, and attractiveness to your home. Wood panels, wooden quotes, shelves, and more will decorate and give life to your home. Wood paneling is an easy and inexpensive way to hide an attractive walls without removing the drywall. This type of wooden wall decoration is available in light, medium, and dark wood tones. It is also available in natural looking textures and styles. Choose from wood styles such as oak, pine, and barn. A rustic look, an elegant look, and a comfortable appearance are possible with a choice of wooden panels. For wooden wall art, beautiful examples of wooden wall decor are handmade one. These are made of solid woods such as oak and mahogany, and are formed according to shapes and patterns. You can also cut wood. This can be wooden sculptures in the form of animals or engraving of rural landscapes.